TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. Okay, first things I need to highlight based on 1 hour chart. As we can see, after the price broke the previous top, we see we have a divergence based on in 1 hour chart. All right, and I don't think this 1 hour chart divergence is like we can expect to get the correction. Is not the point for to show us the price is going to reverse. And right now we're looking at this correction. Any trade setup for buy, we will take it. Okay, anyway, the best things if he wants to look for trade, if he wants to get the trade set up as a sharp move flag, the only way if we trade based on lower time frame. If he wants to trade based on 1 hour chart, the only way is to put our entry above the top, which is around 0.3 0.7 0.0732, right? Okay, but we should know if we want to have entry above the top, we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or second hours, we take out the trade because we have a divergence. Okay, that's why we need to see the sharp move and continuation. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. And if we get any trade set up for buy, we take it because we want to see the breakout of the top. That's why we are more interested to look for buy. And even if I move to forward chart, in the bigger picture, we are looking for this flat. All right. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take it and we start to manage it. The only thing is what we get here is already corrective, but we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, mostly we turn this one can turn similar to any of this for one more drop. That's why if we get any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, if we see it's not moving in our direction as a sharp move, we take out the trade. And right now, the only way to look for trade, either we put our entry above the top or we wait for the sharp move breakout of this 0.073, and any flag above that, we take the trade. And as I mentioned, if you want to look for trade setup within this move, the best thing is we trade based on lower time frame. For sure, based on 1 hour chart, we cannot get the trade. That's why the only way is to put our entry above the top. Okay. Anyway, any trade from now by having entry above the top is a short term, and we want to see the breakout as a sharp move. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thank